Good afternoon, class. Today I will be showing you how to create a calendars event in Gmail. So the first thing we're going to do is type in Gmail in the search bar, and we're just going to click Gmail. We're going to click the first link, Google Gmail, and we're going to click the three bars in the top left. Actually, we can click the three bars in the top right. We're going to go scroll all the way down until we see calendar. And as you can see in the overlay, there's multiple options. And on the left hand side, we're going to click create event. And the title of this event is going to be Gmail meeting. The time will be 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. Central Time. You can adjust the time zones as well if necessary. And you have the ability to add guests and anybody you want to this event or meeting. For the description, you can put anything you please, but for this one, we're going to learn how to use Gmail. And save. And that's how you create a Gmail meeting in Google Calendar.